High today of 74 degrees. Usually this time of year we should be around those upper 80s, so quite a bit different than where we should be at, and we are going to start to see our temperatures warming up. We had about less than 1/10 of an inch of rainfall this morning as well. Some areas may have gotten a little more than that depending on where the heavier amounts of rainfall actually fell around your area. That number is actually out of Rosecrans, so depending on where you are, you may have gotten just a little bit more than that, but less than 1/10 of an inch is showing up out of Rosecrans. 74 degrees currently, and our temperatures are going to start to drop down as we head into our overnight hours, getting down to about 73 by 9 o'clock, and then around that midnight hour, around those 70s. Now, we do have the slight chance to see some showers and thunderstorms popping up overnight. Not expecting too big of a chance, but there's the potential, and mostly it's going to be sometime after about that midnight hour, in between midnight and 4 a.m., and then 67 degrees is going to be your overnight low by 6 a.m. Winds out of the south-southeast for the most part this afternoon between about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And tonight there's that overnight low around 66 degrees with those winds out of the southeast around 5 to 10. If we do see some rain, it's going to be less than 1/10 of an inch again in the overnight hours, so not much, if anything, into the overnight time frame. Now, going into the next couple of days, though, that's another story. We do have the potential to see some more rainfall than that, but for your day tomorrow, if you are heading out to Chiefs Camp, it looks like we're going to have mostly cloudy skies to start the day off, and those rain chances should have pushed out. Very, very slight chance for a sprinkle or two between that time frame, but for the most part, that activity will have pushed on out. 71 around 8 a.m., and then 10 a.m. we're going to be warming up to about 77. The other thing I want you to note is that our cloud cover is going to start to decrease as we go into your afternoon. So mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies for your morning time frame, and then those push out. Very slight chance for a sprinkle or two as we head towards the mid-morning hours, and then we see that cloud cover pushing on out and sunny skies by the end of your afternoon. So we're going to start things off with clouds, and we're going to clear into your afternoon time frame. A high tomorrow about 89 degrees. And those winds out of the south about that 5 to 10 mile an hour range. But as far as our precipitation goes, we're doing better for this time of the month than we usually are, and we're making some progress. We're only down a couple of inches now compared to where we should be at. So while we are still seeing very dry conditions out there, I do expect to see our drought conditions starting to improve, especially with the track that we have coming in this week. We could potentially get another couple of inches into our forecasts over the next couple of days, especially from Monday night into your Wednesday. In fact, with the amount of rainfall that we could be seeing, we could be looking at some flooding concerns between that time frame as well. So we're keeping an eye on that. The other thing I want you to notice is we're going to be getting up to the average again for our highs. On Monday and Tuesday, it's going to be hot and humid, but then our temperatures do drop back down again, and we see some mostly sunny skies for a good number of days at the end of the week. Alex, back to you.